everyone, it's been a while since my last Vietnam trip video, and I know some of you have been waiting for this. Sorry for the delay, real life got busy, but we're finally here with the latest episode of our Vietnam adventure. 1, 2, 3, go!
Mama na'y mantika sa lubot, imong mama na'y mantika sa lubot, imong mama na'y mantika sa lubot, chicharon.
Now, let's talk about day 7. Originally, we planned to visit Mega Grand World Hanoi, but after days of non-stop exploring, we were just too exhausted. Instead of forcing another packed itinerary, we all agreed to take it slow, sorting our baggage, relaxing in the apartment, catching up on sleep, and taking a short walk around Westlake, near where we were staying. Then came day 8, our departure day. But before heading out, we made sure to clean the apartment really well, washing dishes, emptying the trash, and making sure everything was in order as a courtesy to the apartment owner. We always believe in leaving a place the way we found it, especially when we've been treated well. After that, the owner arranged for one of his drivers to take us to the airport. From there, it was the usual airport routine. Checking in, waiting for our flight, and just like that, our Vietnam trip came to an end. But before we wrap this up, I want to give my honest review of Vietnam. To be honest, I think Vietnam is one of the most underrated travel destinations. Before coming here, I heard a lot of things. Some people even warned me that it might be dangerous. But in my experience, it was nothing like that. I never once felt unsafe. Vietnam is full of wonderful surprises. The weather, the people, the culture, the food, it all exceeded my expectations. I came in thinking it would feel like a developing country, similar to the Philippines. But honestly, it didn't feel that way at all. Everyone I met seemed comfortable, content, and proud of their country. And here's something I realized. No video, including this one, can truly capture what it feels like to be in Vietnam. Watching videos is one thing, but standing there, taking in the sights, sounds, and atmosphere, it's an entirely different experience. So if you're thinking about visiting Vietnam, do it! This is the sign, bro. This country has so much to offer, and I guarantee you'll leave with amazing memories and a fresh perspective. And with that, our Vietnam trip series comes to an end. Thank you for watching, but don't go anywhere, because late this year or early next year, we're heading to our next destination, South Korea. So if you haven't yet, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming adventures. See you soon. Tam Viet.